Okay. Hi everyone, myself Akshay. In this video, I will be sharing the advanced level question in the Azure. Okay, so let's start with that. Azure Machine Learning Text Analysis API. What is this? So, a collection of web services called the Text Analysis API is available for the text analysis, and it is used to sentiment analysis and key phrases extraction study of the unstructured text. It gives result that it can be either positive or negative with a range of 0 to 1. What is the Service Fabric by Azure? So, a quicker time to market is made possible by Service Fabric, which streamlines the development of microservices and application lifecycle management with a scalability of up to 1000 workstation, and it is compatible with the Windows, Linux, and may be deployed on site or in the server clouds. Next, we have a how do we explain the Azure Traffic Manager. Azure Traffic Manager is a global load balancer for traffic that distribute the traffic across the Azure region and in the optimal manner. So it is like basically improving the responsiveness and high availability, and it minimizes the application downtime, disperse user the traffic across several sites and offer insights into client connection location, and addition to offering the automatic failover choices. Next question have like what is the storage and most appropriate for the managing the unstructured data. Blob storage classify the unstructured data into tiers according to how frequently it is accessed, providing a scalable storage for it, and it support any unstructured data, guarantee data integrity after every changes, and it helps improve app speed while using the less bandwidth. Next, we have like what is the advantage of using Azure for the scaling. Some of its benefits are listed like optimize the performance of the application, adjust the scale in response to demand, scaling the schedule for the specific time, highly cost effective. Next question like what is the distinguish Azure Active Directory from the Windows Active Directory? We have a difference like Windows Active Directory, Azure Active. Okay. Next question like what is the Azure Blob Storage? So Azure Blob Storage is a binary huge object, and it can be used to browse a document, media, text straight to the browse, and can store enormous amount of unstructured data in binary or text format. You can access the data from any location, and these blobs are associated with the user account and arranged into containers. And there are three parts into these services: storage account, container, then we have a blob. Then how Azure Scheduler and works, and explain how to use it. So Azure Scheduler, we can call specific background trigger or event or action on demand, such as displaying a message on the queue or contacting HTTPS endpoints. And these jobs are present in the cloud call services both inside and outside of Azure, can be scheduled to start a future state or to run on demand according to the regular schedule by using this Azure schedule. Like like there is a time trigger with the help of cron expression we can run. Okay, next question. Can a window computer running on separate port be mapped to Azure load balancer? In Azure, you may achieve this by creating a different load balancer. Yeah. Next question like when there is a no manual help available, which Azure feature can be used to manage heavy applications load? So by using the virtual machine skill set to configure condition for creating new virtual machine when the application load grow, you may address this the issue. And developer manage scale setting that allow load balancer virtual machine group to be the created, and high availability is ensured by automatic scaling based on application demand or a present timetable. And like large virtual machine may be more easily managed, updated, and configured centrally, which help developer create application with high data workload and compute requirements. When utilizing the custom image, the maximum number of virtual machines that Azure skill set can support is 1000. Next question like what other kind of storage services does Azure offer besides the blob storage? We have a table storage, queue storage, file storage apart from the blob one. In the table storage, we are using to store the NoSQL based key value stored enable in the development of application using the same structured data. In the queue storage, um, it is robust, adaptable application to message to system, can be managed heavy workload. And Azure file storage like SMB, server message block protocol, is used to provide the file access and sharing, and SMB 3.0 and HTTPS are used to safeguard the data. And in the last one, you have to know what is the Azure HaaS PaaS SaaS. HaaS for the infra, PaaS for the platform, SaaS for the software as a services we are getting as a from the Azure cloud services. So these are the major questions which we have to be know as a intermediate level and beginner level. Hope you got the some idea. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Happy coding and please like, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you. What is the Windows Active Directory and Azure Active Directory difference between them? So Windows Active Directory services make it easier to work unified with a variety of complex interlink and diverse network resources. Microsoft Azure Directory in that multi-tenant cloud-based identity management solution, Azure Active Directory is involved. And in the Windows Active Directory, there is a file layer I used to store data, save user information, issues and maintain certificate and so on. In the Azure Active Directory, it is a file layer and used to store the data, save information, issues and maintain certificate and so on. So Windows Active Directory work mostly with the on-premises component like programs, file services, printer and so on. Azure Active Directory emphasis on web-based services, RESTful interfaces. Next, what types of queue does Azure provide? Azure queue are in the two different way. First we have a storage queue, second we have a service bus queue. In the storage queues, what happens? A component of Azure storage system make communication between services within them easier and perfect for the keeping transaction size logs and more than 80 GB of communication. But in the service bus queue, an element of Azure messaging system combines applications from different network settings and protocols, offer delivery in the FIFO manner with an 80 GB queue size limit. The next question, what benefit does Azure Resource Manager offer? User can control how much of their application resources are used by using Azure Resource Manager. Azure Resource Manager offers a number of benefits including ARM facilitation, the deployment, management, oversight of all the resources for a group, and application or solutions. Next, access to all the resource user need to can be provided, and it acquired through the billing data for every resource in the consortium, and template greatly simplify the process of provisioning the resources. Next, which web apps are compatible with the Azure deployment? A wide range of online applications including the .NET, Node, Java, PHP, Python, Ruby, Rails, Django, Express.js, Flask, static web pages can be deployed using Azure, and it supports a wide variety of frameworks and languages. Okay. Now, like what are the benefit has Azure React from the incorporating the hybrid cloud? So by designing and delivering cloud and on-premises apps using the Azure and the Azure Stack, the hybrid cloud increases the productivity. Azure has benefited from the hybrid cloud integration in the following way. First, combining DevOps procedure and tools with the Azure services, it achieves the increased efficiency. Second, customer can benefit from Azure Marketplace app and regularly updated Azure services. Third, it makes it is possible to deploy on-premises in the cloud or whenever it is located. As a result, app it can be developed more quickly. So that is the main benefit. Next, like what is Azure SQL Federation? So for scalability in the SQL Azure introduced organization, the federation facilitates the information scaling for developer as well as the manager. So it facilitates the manager by simplifying the information disposing and repartitioning, and it gives the developer to access the information exchange and routing layer, and it facilitates the routing without causing the application lag. Okay. Then next is like what is the various storage option that Azure provided. As I already mentioned, Azure Blob Storage, Azure Table Storage, Azure File Storage, Azure Queue Storage. Next, what make using Azure CDN recommended? So the load time and the bandwidth are decreased with Azure CDN. Additionally, it facilitates the faster reactivity. And next we have like what type of backup are available in the Azure. So we have a different application type are included in the Azure backup to maintain the highly available storage and data. First, we have a geo-redundant storage, then we have a LRS, then we have a ZRS, local redundant storage, and zone redundant storage, I will say. So in the geo means the default and suggested setting which duplicate data to secondary area distance from the original site. Duplicate data from the secondary site, just understand. In the local, create 3 copies of the data in a data center storage scale unit. Keep 3 copies of data in the data center in the scale unit. And in the ZRS, we have to be copy duplicated from the secondary area. In the zone, we have no downtime. Replicate the data in availability zones with the data residency and resiliency in the same locations. Next, what is the Azure CM delete? A CM delete is a type of small command used in the Microsoft PowerShell environment. The window PowerShell invokes a CM delete in order to automate the command line of program, and they are also automatically invoked by the Windows PowerShell runtime via the Windows PowerShell API. So these are the basic and most asked question in the Azure one. So hope you like it, and if you have any doubt, please like, share, subscribe and comment it down here. Thank you.